Well, the biggest news breaking in the day 2 CBI probe in Sushant Singh Rajput mysterious death underway, and here the report says that CBI grills 4 more persons including Sushant Singh's cook Neeraj, and the CBI also to question SSR's flatmate Siddharth and housekeeper Deepesh. And on this day 2 of CBI investigation, CBI to grill SSR's cook Neeraj and also second cook Deepesh, and they are also focusing on to know what happened on June 13 and June 14. So to give us a lot more updates, here we have CBI News correspondent Jagdish. Jagdish, please provide us details what is happening and what are the latest updates in Sushant Singh Rajput's investigation.
Yeah, the Central Bureau of Investigation is going to question Neeraj, the cook of Sushant Singh Rajput. In fact, Neeraj was present at the flat where Sushant was found dead, and the other cook also is going to be questioned again. Remember, these were the important people who were present when Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead at his Bandra apartment on 14th. And one more important aspect was CBI is looking into what were the chain of events, what happened on 13th and 14th of June, the day before Sushant Singh found dead, and the 14th morning, right since morning till almost 2:30 in the afternoon when Sushant Singh was found dead. Yes, his roommate Siddharth is also being going to question, because these were the important people who were present in the flat, and more important, they were present also when the blacksmith opened the lock of the door, and they were the first people who happened to get into Sushant's room and find that Sushant was found dead hanging in his apartment. Vasavi?
Yes, Jagdish. So, in a brief, can we know what is the update of CBI probe on first day?
Okay. Yesterday on Friday, the CBI had moved to Mumbai, and it took the complete investigation report from the Mumbai police and the belongings of Sushant Singh Rajput, the laptop, this mobile phone, and more important, the cloth also was taken into by CBI from the Mumbai police. The cloth is the same cloth which Sushant was found hanging. And it was more importantly, the forensic team also is into force, and they are also looking at the apartment. In fact, the complete scene was been recreated at the apartment. The CBI had been, the team had been to the apartment also and recreated the scene of how and where Sushant Singh was found hanging, and which is the room, and who actually got into the room. More importantly, important revelations were out yesterday when the blacksmith who opened the door clearly told that once he opened the door, he was asked to leave immediately. And more importantly, 4 of the people who were present in and around when the door was opened, they looked absolutely calm, no point of suspicion on them, and they were not looking tense as well. So what the blacksmith had told out also clearly says that they didn't panic, because since Sushant didn't open the door, they had called the blacksmith and he opened the door. The blacksmith was asked to leave immediately. So all these things clearly show that the people who were around present there at the apartment that time, exact moment when Sushant Singh was found, then now they have been questioned. What happened on 14th? Why is it they have not informed the police then and there, and how did they get the body down? They have removed Sushant was found hanging. They brought him down, and without the presence of the Mumbai police, they brought the body down. So all these questions are unanswered till date. It's almost 2 months now, and the facts are not come out of. So yes, CBI is looking into all aspects of this and trying to get to the facts and get a logical conclusion to this very important high-profile case.